Hi, it's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. Welcome to my wardrobe. I'm here to talk about another excuse that people have to avoid decluttering their closet. In other words, curating a wardrobe you love. Here is the thing. You have to get dressed every day, so you might as well enjoy it. And I'm here to share with you a tip or a trick that if the reason you haven't decluttered your closet is because you are tired and you feel like you don't have time to do so, I totally understand. Because ultimately, a great way to clear out your closet is to pull everything out. We did that with my husband, a couple months ago. He did it before I got home, actually, and I came home to the bedroom full of his clothes. So then you have to finish. So if the thought of doing that is overwhelming, or you're like, I don't have time to do that, I don't have a Saturday that I can do that, here's my little tip. Every day when you get dressed, look at each piece of clothing that you put on and make a decision. And in that way, you are decluttering your closet every day. So if you put something on, and even as you wear it throughout the day, if you find that you're tugging at it, or it's not comfortable, or you think, this is why I haven't worn these jeans, they're not, whatever. Just at the end of the day, get rid of it, and it is gonna feel amazing. I promise you. So I am in my second season of a 10-piece wardrobe, and I am still absolutely in love with the concept. I don't think, not once, about getting dressed. I come to my closet, I open the door, it is always perfection, and I am not a perfectionist. I'm not a perfectionist. But it sure is nice to open your closet and see perfection. I don't have to clean it ever, because basically, if you look at it, it kind of looks like what your closet looks like when you're on vacation. When you have those well-curated pieces that you picked specifically for the duration of your trip. How many shoes do I have? I have 2, 4, 6, 8. I have 8 pairs. Yeah. So remember the last time you were on vacation and you did not think twice about your clothes. You didn't think about it at all. You didn't wake up and say, what am I going to wear today? Not at all, because you did the work prior to leaving your home. You looked at the weather, you looked at the precipitation, you thought about the activities that you're going to do, and then you chose clothes that you love, that fit you today. You may have even bought a new piece for that vacation. So then for sure you got so excited getting dressed every day. Well, that's kind of the concept of the 10-piece wardrobe. So every day's a vacation here. So just sharing that little tip. If you're like, I don't have time to declutter my closet, try doing a little bit every day, especially with the clothes that you put on. Just make a decision. Do I love this? Does it fit? And then from there, you can start making some hard decisions. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty with just a little tip about how you can move forward in getting your closet to a place that is just fantastic. I'm also just gonna do this real quick. So I had to resubmit my book again, so it's still under review, but my goal is Saturday to have it be live, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So this is Heidi. Okay, so I have a question here from Caitlin. How do you get your husband to move forward? Well, Caitlin, it took time. And this is the case with everybody. Because he would say, I have to clean my closet, I have to clean my closet, I have to clean my closet. And I would say, you have to clean your closet, you have to clean your closet, you have to clean your closet. And you might be saying the same thing to yourself or your spouse, and just take note how that mental chatter is exhausting. So Judah, he had time, and I also declared it. I declared it a couple of times. This weekend is for your closet. This weekend is for your closet. So I declared it, and then, like I said, I came home one day and he had started, and it was very easy. And this is true with most people, that once you get to that point where all of your clothes are laid out, the decisions are very easy. He had clothes that he had for, dare I say, decades, and that were not fitting him the way he liked, and were out of style, and they were worn out. So I think we threw away 2 large black garbage bags, and that was all easy to get rid of, and most of it he didn't even have to try on. But then with things he had questions about, he would try them on and then made the decision. Do you love it? I asked him that over and over and over again. And you may think, yeah, people love it. You either love it or you hate it. So, and you can watch somebody when you say, do you love it? And maybe you don't want to commit, but he did. How many shoes should you donate for every new pair you buy? Is this Caitlin's hubby asking this question? Well, here's the thing. And I've talked about this before, that this space right here is my $1 million real estate. So in order for it to stay in a space that's clean and not overwhelming, you can only have so much in your space. Of course, if you have a walk-in closet, then you have more options. However, there are only 365 days in the year. So, and you have to consider also decision fatigue. And you also have to remember that most of us wear 20% of our clothing 80% of the time. And that's because those are the things that we love and that fit. And the rest is just taking up noise. It's just, you open it in the morning, you're in a rush, you have to get dressed, and you're like, I haven't worn those shoes. I haven't worn those shoes. Those shoes don't fit. Those shoes hurt. Those pinch. It's just noise. Am I for hire? Absolutely, I am for hire. You can go to HeidiGamel.com and book a session. It's called Nest Pretty for a reason. Okay? Yeah, so we could talk about this for hours. It's so much fun. But I'm just here to say that when you put in the work, it is so worth it. It feels so fantastic. Imagine opening your closet and hearing nothing, no chatter. Just take a deep breath and choose. It's fantastic. So maybe next week I'll take you into Judah's closet and show you the fantasticness that he did over there. And I hope that you have a lovely evening. Thank you for joining me. Bye.